Do you want to see me do a 4th of July design? Well, you're in the right place. Hey guys, it's Vanna from Sheep Nails. How you doing? I hope you're doing great on this day. And in this video, like I said, I'm doing a 4th of July design. I want to make up a 4th of July design because I want to wear a 4th of July design on the 4th of July, if you know what I mean. Hope you guys enjoy this 4th of July design. Let's go. Okay, let's get this 4th of July design started. First of all, I painted my nails white, and then I'm going to paint this star glue on all my nails and let that completely dry. And I know I've just use this star glue in a bunch of other videos if you watch my other videos, because you know that I really liked doing foil. And guys, I'm doing it again and again. I don't know why, I just like it. And now that it's completely dry, I'm going to take some of this red foil and I'm going to cut a couple of pieces off using a scissor, because obviously I don't need the whole thing. And then I'm going to take this like blue starry foil and I'm going to cut a few pieces off of that. I'm going to cut probably one strip for each nail. And then I'm going to place them. I want to do a red, white, and blue, like a flag, because, you know, 4th of July is like a, you know, American flag. So I'm going to do red, white, and blue. And I did the bomb pop design, like the Patriot kind of design on my channel. But I really wanted to do like a flag, red, white, and blue. So that's why I wanted to do this. And I'm just putting the red towards the top of my nail, and I'm just stopping it, and then I'm going to do stopping it so you can see the white in the middle, because I'm not going to put any foil in the middle because I want it to be red, white, and blue. And I'm going to put the blue towards the bottom of my nail, and you can see that I'm not just putting the foil straight across, I'm kind of just like turning it a little bit. So it's a little awesome white stripe, and then I kind of pat it in there. And then I'm going to do this to all my nails, and then I'm going to take this awesome water-based top coat, and I'm going to put that on my foil because I don't want to tip my foil. And if you want to hear more about this, I'll put a video up in the cards about how I foil my nails cheaply, because I don't have a lot of those water-based top coats. Anyway, so I'm going to take some strengthening. After that is completely dry, that top coat, I'm going to put some strengthening top coat on the white part of my nail, and I'm going to put these lovely white rhinestones just in a line going across my nail, and I'm picking them up with a color pencil. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with all my other nails. Put the exact same white, awesome rhinestones. After that is all done, I'm going to go ahead and put a quick dry top coat on. And I'm not just going to smother the rhinestones and top coat, because I feel like these rhinestones, they kind of reflect in different lighting, like purples, greens, and blues. And sometimes if you put a top coat on it, it tints that and it kind of just turns one color and it's kind of bland. So I don't smother my rhinestones in top coat. So there we go, guys. It's all done, and I think it's very pretty. And I love making up 4th of July nail designs, because even before I had a nail channel, I always did my nails for 4th of July. Okay guys, there's that design. Tell me, do you like it? Tell me. And little fun fact, usually in my intros and my outros, I'm wearing my past design on this hand, and I'm wearing future designs on this hand. Little fun fact. Anyways guys, I'll see you next time, and I hope you liked this video. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Tune in to Sheep Nails next week. Yeah. Bye.